Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find web design and development tutorial section. In web design and development tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Bootstrap 5 tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my Bootstrap tutorials where I am explaining Bootstrap in depth and step by step guys. In this video, I would like to discuss Bootstrap spinners. Spinners are used to indicate that content is loading. Spinners are used to indicate that the content is loading. If you want to create loaders, then you take help of Bootstrap spinners guys. There are two main classes, spinner-border used to create a spinner that appears as a rotating border, whereas spinner-grow class used to create a spinner that grows and shrinks. Let's have a demo and understand everything clearly step by step. I minimize everything. Here I have my website folder. I open it. I right click on default.html page, say open with notepad. You can see that default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to Bootstrap demo. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with Google Chrome. You can see default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to Bootstrap demo. If you want to create spinners or loaders, simply go to Google and search for Bootstrap 5 spinner. Click on the link. It takes you to spinners page. If you scroll down, you find some examples. If you want to create a bordered spinner, like this, simply copy the code and paste it in your page. If I save it, go to browser and reload, you can see that a border spinner is created guys. I told you that there is a class spinner-border. It is used to create a spinner that appears as a rotating border. That's what you are seeing here, a rotating border, right? If you want, definitely you can change the color of this border spinner with the help of text color classes: text-primary blue, text-secondary gray, text-success green, text-danger red, and so on. Simply I'll copy the code from here and paste. I save it, go to browser and reload my page. You can see that now we have different colored spinners. So you can change the color of the spinner using the text color classes guys. Okay, let's go down. If you want to create a growing spinner like this, simply copy the code and paste in your page. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see now we have a growing spinner. Why? Because they are using the class spinner-grow. I told you spinner-grow class is used to create a spinner that grows and shrinks. So here we have a growing spinner guys. If you want to change, you can definitely change the color. Here I have the code, copy and paste. I save it, go to browser and reload the page. Now we have different colored growing spinners. Here you can see they are using text-primary, text-secondary, text-success, right? Next, if you scroll down, if you want, you can definitely apply the margin using the margin classes. If you want, you can align your spinners in the element. You can see they are using a div with a class of spinner-border that creates a border spinner, and they are putting the div inside another div, a parent div, which has a class of display flex. Okay, I'm going to copy this and explain. I copy it and paste it over here. Okay, you can see we have a div with a class of spinner border. I'm going to delete this, Control X, save, go to browser and reload my page. You see we have a border spinner here, and they are using a parent div with a class of dflex. Dflex means display flex. When we use a dflex class, this acts as a container and the inner elements acts as items. So this is a flex item. We can align the flex item within the container horizontally as well as vertically guys. To align horizontally, we take help of justify content classes. Justify content start. I save it, go to browser and reload. You don't see any change because start means left guys. If I say here end, end, I save it, go to browser and reload. It is placed on the right hand side. Whereas if I say here center, save, go to browser and reload, it is placed in the center, horizontally center. Okay, here what I do, I use some CSS styles. I say here style height of 300 pixels, background background dash color of orange. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see we have this big div which is a deflex container. Okay, we can vertically also align. For vertically aligning the flex items, we take help of align items class, and if I say here center, CENTR center, I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see that our spinner is vertically center aligned. So that is how you can align your spinner within a flex container. You can also align within the floats if you want. Okay, here they have given many examples, guys. You can see if you use spinner dash border dash sm or spinner dash grow dash sm, it displays the spinners in smaller size. See, I'll show you spinner border sm. As we have spinner border, I can simply use spinner border sm here. I save it, go to browser and reload my page. You can see it is displayed in small size. If I, instead of sm, if I use lg, I save, go to browser and reload. It is going to display the spinner in larger size. Same thing applicable for spinner grow also. Okay, so you can go through here. You can display a spinner within a button. You can see they are displaying a button, and in the button they are using the spinner, and here they are using the spinner as well as the text loading. That's why it is displaying. See, if I copy this code and paste here, let me delete the first button. Okay, I'll show you the second button only. I save, go to browser and reload. You can see we have a button with spinner as well as the loading text. So you can go through this documentation, guys. If you go through this documentation, you get more clear idea about the spinners. I hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone get benefited. I suggest you to try it yourself, whatever I explained. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Bootstrap in depth and step by step, guys. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.